In this video, we'll see about the book Presence by Amy Cuddy. So during her childhood days of Amy Cuddy, especially on the vacation time, she planned to spend a time with her friends. During the travel of car, the unexpected major accident has been happened. In that accident, Amy Cuddy has been ejected out from the car with a major injury. And while the doctor said it's too hard for her to continue her higher studies due to this major accident. But in the thought of Amy Cuddy's mind, she had a thought how it can be overcome. She kept on thinking and she practiced also. Is that possible to overcome it? And she tried. At one point of time, she got a seat in college also. It's none other than she completed her graduation in Harvard University. Along with it, she also got a chance to become a guest lecturer in the field of business management. But how it is possible? Even the doctor said it's not possible to recover, and even his physical health is also. But for this, Amy Cuddy has replied that if your body or physical is proper, it will insist your brain to do the things in a proper manner. So it will control your brain also. So the brain is going to control the habit. So this is the process. If the body or physical is not proper, everything is going to get collapsed. She also made an experimentation and proved that a person who is going to sit erect and who is the person who is going to lean on the chair. The person who is sit erect can able to find is more confident and have a more belief on this, where the person who is got on incline, the person had a little bit anxiety and a little confusion also. Why this is happening was, it's like your body is like a parent which is going to control the small kid. So if based on the body's direction, the mind is going to react. So what your body says, your mind will listen to it. So that's the reason. So we'll see in detail what happens here. The person who is not straight, lean, is have a little bit disempowerment. So it makes him to do some mistakes what he does in the task. And these mistakes make him to lose his confidence and leads a distraction also from his existing work. And due to distraction and the mistake, and finally the plan which he projected for his goal will easily get neglected and started to procrastinate the things. But whereas come on to the person who sit on the erect position, does on the straight position, has a willpower to overcome the problem. Say example, the empowerment was more high resilience to whatever they handle. Even it's a over kind of pressure, they can able to handle it very easily. And the second thing was, they can enhance the creativity of handling. If it is not going in a good form, they think a lot and executing in a proper manner. And then the execution function is also more to them, and they are not emotionally attached to the things, more on productivity. But how this has happened was exactly we discussed by the productivity of health. But in order to make the physics strong, the two things plays a major role. One is a testosterone and the another one is a cortisol. Okay, what is cortisol was? Cortisol was created due to the following things like I am the best. Is a good thing, right? But comparing to this will make you create of cortisol. So in order how to overcome this thing was, it's very simple. Be kind with everyone and do service to others. If you start to do this means you won't feel that you are more superior to others. It will help to reduce the cortisol. Okay, how to increase the testosterone? It is also very simple. Just making a power posing. By seeing yourself a confident one instead of not comparing yourself with the other. So doing this thing will increase your testosterone and reduce the cortisol to 19%, and the cortisol also reduced by 25%. Okay, how it can be done? It's very simple. It can be easily implemented in the routine also. Once you wake up, just have a look on the mirror and do a power pose while brushing your teeth. It will make you a little bit confident. And during the break time also, stretch your body to make your body muscles to free and to be active. And after that, while doing a client call, just instead of sitting and responding, stand up and give a power pose and then give a hand gesture to make yourself confident what are the things you deliver. And even before going to the meeting, just stretch your body a little bit and then start to present. And even sitting also, have a comfortable lean by having your hands on the right side. If you do this thing, definitely your body is under your control, which helps to control the brain and will insist to do the task with a new idea. So there won't be any procrastination of delaying the things. It will happen in a proper manner. So what are the things we have said is from the book Presence by Amy Cuddy. If it's really helpful means, please try to implement in your life little by little and will become a big result. Thank you.